AC power jack.
My husband is fixing the AC power jack on my Toshiba Satellite laptop.
It'll keep coming, Dad, so it just oozes out slowly, continually.
Plastic around the jack cracked, and it would no longer
Stay in place.
No shit.
So he is pulling the jack back out with picks.
And super gluing it.
Super cool. No need to take all those screws out. Take the whole laptop apart. We recommend super glue gel.
Because it doesn't run all over the place.
Doesn't run all over the place. And it also doesn't do it instantly, which is a bonus, would you say?
Depends on what you're working with.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Now he's holding it in place with the pick.
While the glue dries.
He's backing up my files. I guess I'll leave that there. Thinking my computer had died. But my amazing husband has resurrected it.
Well, you have yet to see.
It'll work, I'm confident. Okay, it's the moment of truth. He has super glued the jack. Let's see if my computer will charge now. Yes! He fixed it. And now you know a simple, easy way to repair the AC adapter jack for a Toshiba Satellite without having to take the whole entire computer apart. Woohoo!